What's up YouTube? It's your boy James back with another video. And today we're going to take a look at a pair of Air Jordan 1 lows, Court Purple and Black. 2020 has been such a great year for Jordan 1 low releases as far as the colorways go and the frequency in which Jordan brand is dropping these things on us. And if you're a fan of Jordan 1 lows the way that I am, you've been copping pretty much every release, or at least trying to. And I have gotten so many this year, and I'm happy with pretty much each and every one that I have in my collection. And I have missed a couple of releases so far this year, but for the most part, they are obtainable even if you have to pay a tiny bit of resale, because Jordan 1 lows really ain't hitting for everybody. So recently I caught a restock for this pair that we're looking at right here. And the reason why I wanted this shoe in particular is because it was going to match a lot of my Lakers gear that I have going on. It matches the Statement Edition pretty much perfectly, so I was like, I need that in my collection. And this shoe was only 90 bucks. And I mean, 90 bucks for any Air Jordan is a super good price, man. And you really can't beat that for a Jordan 1 low. So if you're a fan of Jordan 1 lows, or you're thinking about picking this sneaker up on the resale market, then I hope that this review can help you. So in today's video, what we're going to do is we're going to open up these sneakers. I'm going to do a full detail review. I'm going to hit you with an on feet, and then I'm going to leave you with my thoughts on these Air Jordan 1 low, Court Purple, Black. I'd like to welcome back all my returning viewers. Thank you so much for all the support. Thanks for watching all the videos, commenting on all the videos. You have no idea how much it truly helps me. But if this is your first time visiting the channel, my name is James and I do reviews on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. And if you all could do these things that I like and destroy that like button for me, I would really appreciate it. And if you're new to the channel or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I drop a video and you don't miss anything. Guys, I know the Jordan 1 low is not for everybody. There's definitely people out there that despise these things, won't rock them, talk about them like they're trash, and I fully respect their opinion on these things. I really do. But I just don't agree with them. I cop Jordan 1 lows all the time. If their colorway is dope, the price is almost always right. It's cheap. I can build my collection up even bigger. Purchasing a $90 sneaker. The release dates, they're not all hyped up. So, there's not the people out there with the bots sucking up all the pairs or anything like that. Basically, these shoes are obtainable. You can get them. And even if you miss the release date, you can go on Go or eBay or something like that and pick them up for a very fair price. Alright guys, so let's get into it. Here we got the box, and you got your typical Jordan 1 low box. Black with the gold Jumpman on the top of the lid. And then you got the number 23 here. You got a Jordan Jumpman on the back. And the size tag reads Air Jordan 1 low, Court Purple, white, black, and this is a size 8. Inside the box, you have your number 23 white tissue paper with 23 imprint all over it. And BAM! I love the smell of new sneakers. So right out of the box, man, this colorway is hitting. You got that Court Purple leather. The materials look pretty good. And off top, I'm not seeing any flaws or anything on either of these sneakers. And also, there was restocks recently on the regular Court Purples, which doesn't have this black part in the mid. So basically, it's just the Court Purple and they're white. But these I actually really wanted more than those, because if you look, like this jersey right here, this Statement Edition jersey, this thing, like the purple's pretty much spot on. It's got the black in it, and it's got the black on the sides of the jersey here. So, I mean, this shoe right here is definitely meant to match some Laker gear. So, I wanted this in my collection. But now that we got these sneakers out of the box, let's go ahead and take an up-close look at this Air Jordan 1 low, Court Purple, Black. Alright, so starting here at the top, you're going to have this Court Purple that's in leather. And it wraps all the way pretty much around the outer edge of the shoe. In the middle of the shoe, you have this black mid panel with the white Nike swoosh that wraps around to the back. Now down here you have an all white rubber midsole that wraps around the entire shoe. Now here at your front toe box, you're going to have this black leather right here. And this is pretty stiff. It's a little bit harder than, some other Jordan 1 lows that I have. But it's pretty nice. And then you have your all white laces. No other laces come in the box. And then you have your purple lace loop with the number 23 on it. And then you have your tongue right here. And then you have that court purple Jumpman right there in the center. On the back of the sneaker, you're going to have your Air Jordan Wings logo that is embroidered into the back. So that's a pretty nice touch right there. And inside the sneaker, you're going to have a black sock liner with the Jordan Jumpman in court purple. On the bottom of the sneaker, it is entirely in court purple. And in the center, you're going to have your Nike logo right there. Overall, like I said before, I really do like this colorway. And I actually picked these over the other court purple ones that they have out. And even though the color scheme is the same as far as the purple, white, and black, I just thought the placement of the colors on this sneaker was just better. But that's just my opinion, guys. I don't know how you guys feel, but let me know down in the comment section. But I'm going to go ahead and throw these things on and show you what they look like on feet.
Perfect.
Now overall, when it comes to these sneakers, I think this colorway is dope. Go true to size on these. In most Air Jordans, what I do is I scale down half a size. In most shoes, I normally wear 8.5, but I find that if I scale down a half size and when I buy Air Jordan Retros or something like that, that it cuts down on the creasing and the front toe box dramatically. So that's just what I do, but I recommend going true to size, so you get the maximum comfortability and stuff like that for your money. If you're interested in picking these sneakers up, you could definitely find them on eBay or GOAT or StockX. And the resale prices for these really ain't that bad. This isn't like a hype sneaker or anything. But if you want this to match some of your jerseys or clothing or something like that, then you can definitely pick these up. This is a nice shoe. But I want to know what you think. Please drop a comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are on this Air Jordan 1 low. Is this something that you have? Is this something that you're interested in? Do you think this is ugly? Do you think this is trash? Just comment down below, guys, and let me know what you think. I'd like to thank you all for rocking out with me and watching this video. Before you guys bounce out, if you haven't yet already done so, please destroy that like button for me. I would really, really appreciate it. It helps the channel out tremendously. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss any content on sneakers, gear, or sports related items. And until next video, peace!